If your Nintendo Switch has no sound, whether it's docked to a TV, using headphones, or playing through the built-in speakers, don't worry, this issue is usually caused by a simple glitch, incorrect settings, or connection problems. Let's go through some easy solutions to bring your audio back. Solution 1. Restart and manually adjust your audio. So to start with the fixes, a simple restart can do miracles. Just press and hold the power button of your Nintendo Switch for 3 seconds. From the menu, select Power Options. After this, choose Restart. Wait for your Switch to restart. Once it turns on, press the volume up button on the top of your Switch repeatedly. Make sure it's not muted or set too low. You should see the volume bar appear on screen as you press. Solution 2. Toggle headphone mode. In handheld mode, sometimes the Switch thinks headphones are connected even when they're not. Plug in a pair of wired headphones. Wait a few seconds, then unplug them. This can reset the audio output and bring back sound to the internal speakers. Solution 3. Test with and without headphones. If you're not getting sound from the speakers, try using headphones. If the sound works through headphones, the issue is likely with your built-in speakers. If there's still no sound in the headphones either, it's likely a software or system issue. Solution 4. Change system settings. Go to System Settings, scroll all the way down to System, select System Update. Make sure your Switch is updated to the latest software to ensure your proper experience. After that, you can also select Update Dock. This can fix problems with TV or monitor related sound issues. Once that is done, scroll down a little bit again and select Console Sound. Choose Stereo for this. After that, scroll down again and choose Mute when headphones are disconnected. Turn this off. Then turn off Lower Max headphone volume as well. This setting was most likely the biggest problem for most of our viewers. Solution: check your TV or monitor settings. It could be that there are some sound misconfiguration on your TV settings. To check, open System Settings. Scroll down to TV Settings. On the right side, scroll down and select TV Sound. Set this to Automatic. Confirm any prompt that may appear and see if this fixes your problem or not. Hopefully with this, your basic Nintendo Switch sound issues will be fixed. If this video helps you out, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more solutions like this. I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Until then, stay tuned and take care.